Sembun Menteri Kejela bakmi ya katanat kampo ing polis ba Prestone ten song laong baka Sorkar kan pentikna bakan don ke jingburom ya ka ain ha Kejela bat kan Ailad ya noru ban Shim ya ka ain hala ka kti bat ka Sorkar kala Shim ya ki kato kan nek senjam pan pentikna bakan don keno ke jingta ya ka syongsuk syongsain ha Kejela kane ke jingkren ba Prestone kalami hadin ki jingja kawang petrol bom jongki riu Shim kabu ya ki police station bat ya ka office ka Sorkar Jela.
My request is like this: be cool and calm. Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen. Maybe in 4, 5, or 6, or 7, and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure.
But what is the kind of message that these miscreants are trying to send to the government by committing arson attacks?
No, my point is very clear. As I said to you, we will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again reoccur.
So, any advisory being issued to government offices to ensure that their properties are protected?
Yes, that we have already done it, and we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place. We will make sure that our people are very safe, the public are safe, they can go to the market, they can walk in the street safely, there is no harm.